Hi dear viewers, today we are going to discuss about highest peaks in each of the 7 continents, known as the 7 summits, which is very important topic for your upcoming competitive exams like BPS 5 to 15 jobs, Sindh Public Service Commission SST jobs, etc. So let's start. Mount Everest, Asia. Located in the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and Tibet, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, standing at 8,848.86 meters 29,031.7 feet above sea level. Aconcagua, South America. Situated in the Andes mountain range in Argentina, Aconcagua is the highest peak in South America, reaching an elevation of 6,960.8 meters 22,837 feet. Denali, Mount McKinley, North America. Found in the Alaska Range in the United States, Denali, also known as Mount McKinley, is the highest peak in North America, standing at 6,144.2 meters 20,310 feet above sea level. Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa. Located in Tanzania, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa and stands at 5,895 meters 19,341 feet above sea level. It is a dormant volcano and is known for its distinct snow-capped summit. Mount Elbrus, Europe. Situated in the Caucasus Mountains in Russia, Mount Elbrus is the highest peak in Europe, with an elevation of 5,642.2 meters 18,510 feet. Mount Vinson, Antarctica. Located in the Ellsworth Mountains of Antarctica, Mount Vinson is the highest peak on the continent, reaching an elevation of 4,892 meters 16,050 feet above sea level. Puncak Jaya, Karstens Pyramid, Oceania. Situated on the island of New Guinea, in the Indonesian province of Papua, Puncak Jaya, also known as Karstens Pyramid, is the highest peak in Oceania, with an elevation of 4,884 meters 16,024 feet. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. If you want to watch more shorts videos with greater knowledge, visit our channel and do subscribe this channel for upcoming new videos. We will meet again with new video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.